You've prayed, you've asked, you've waited. Pero bakit parang wala pa ring sagot? There really are times when you cannot hear God's voice. At may iba't ibang dahilan rin kung bakit parang walang sagot ang Panginoon. Maybe you're not ready for His message. Maybe there's a sin in your heart. Maybe He already answered through His word. Maybe you're not really listening. Or maybe you're still being refined and tested through the waiting. Baka dinedevelop pa ang patience mo. Baka pinapalakas pa ang faith mo. Whatever the reason is, stand on this truth. Jesus is with you. He is never absent. He is never not working in your life. He will always answer you. He will always guide and lead you through. Have a blessed day.